In this video, I'm going to show you how to publish a website in Hostinger Website Builder, step by step, from opening your site in hPanel all the way to making sure your live website is showing the latest changes correctly. If you've been building your site and you're ready to launch it, this will walk you through the exact process in a simple and beginner-friendly way. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website and software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Hostinger account and open your hPanel dashboard. Once you're inside, go to the website section. This is where Hostinger keeps all of the sites connected to your account. Find the website you want to publish or update, and then click Edit Website. That will take you directly into the Hostinger Website Builder so you can review everything before going live. Now that you're inside the builder, take a moment to review your site carefully. This is an important step because once your website is published, visitors will see everything exactly as it appears live. Go through your pages one by one and make any final updates you need. You might want to adjust text, replace images, fix spacing, improve the layout, or update buttons and links. It's always a good idea to preview the site before publishing so you can catch spelling mistakes, formatting problems, or broken links before they go public. Once you're happy with the design and content, the next step is to choose your domain name. In the top bar of the builder, hover over Connect Domain. If you're currently using a temporary domain, click Change Domain. This lets you switch to the domain you actually own and want connected to the website. Select the correct domain from your list, then click Next to continue. This step is important because it makes sure your published website appears under your proper custom domain instead of a temporary link. After your domain is selected, you're ready for the main publishing step. In the top right corner of the builder, click the Go Live button. This is the button that officially pushes your website from the builder into a live public version that people can visit online. Depending on the size of your site and the changes you made, it may take a short moment for everything to process. Once it finishes, your website should be live and accessible on the internet. But don't stop there. The final step is to verify that your live website looks correct. Open your website in a new browser tab and visit the live domain. Then refresh the page to make sure all of your latest changes are showing properly. Check your design, review your links, confirm your content is updated, and make sure everything looks the way you intended. This is the best way to confirm that your site published successfully and that nothing was missed during the process. And that's it. You now know how to publish a website in Hostinger Website Builder. Just remember the simple flow. Open your site in hPanel, review and update your pages, select the right domain, click Go Live, and then verify your live site in a browser. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you want more Hostinger Website Builder tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.